Hello everyone, this is Jagan Gupta. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am doing lecture series on engineering mechanics and today we'll study about the Lami's theorem. Lami's theorem is one of the most important and one of the most easiest theorem for solving problem on equilibrium. Equilibrium means something which is in balanced condition, or in other words, equilibrium means the resultant of all the forces must be zero. Okay, so let's see the statement first. It states that if three concurrent coplanar forces acting on a point in a body keep it in equilibrium, then each force is proportional to the sine of angle between other two forces. It means that if there are three forces which is acting at a point on a body and these three forces keeps the body in equilibrium condition, then each force is proportional to the sine of angle between other two forces. Let's see this diagram. We'll understand this theorem with the help of this diagram also. See here, this is the one body M and three forces P, Q and R. They are acting at a point O on the body M, and if this body is in equilibrium condition, then each force is proportional to the sine of angle between other two forces. It means that the force P is proportional to sine of alpha, the force Q is proportional to sine of beta, and the force PR is proportional to the sine of gamma. Mathematically, this theorem is expressed as P upon sine alpha is equal to Q upon sine beta is equal to R upon sine gamma. See here, the ratio of force P and sine of angle between other two forces means sine alpha is equal to the ratio of force Q and the sine of angle between other two forces means sine beta, and is equal to the ratio of force R and sine of angle between other two forces means sine gamma. This is what Lami's theorem is. P upon sine alpha is equal to Q upon sine beta is equal to R upon sine gamma. So let's discuss some important points about this Lami's theorem. First is three force must be there, means in Lami's theorem there must be three forces, not less than 3 or not greater than 3. So condition is only three forces must be there. Second is force must be concurrent. The forces must be concurrent means all the forces must be passing through a common point. All these three forces must be passing through common point. Then only this theorem will be applied. Third point is force must be coplanar. These forces must be coplanar. They should not be in all these three forces must be in the same plane. They should not be in the different plane. Okay. फोर्थ पॉइंट इज फोर्सेस मस्ट बी नॉन कोलिनियर. जो फोर्स एक्ट हो रहा है ये नॉन एक ही कोलिनियर नहीं होना, एक ही लाइन पे नहीं होना चाहिए, अलग अलग नॉन कोलिनियर. ऑल दिस थ्री फोर्सेस मस्ट बी नॉन कोलिनियर, बिकॉज अगर फोर्सेस कोलिनियर हो जाएगा तो ये जो एंगल हमको आइदर 0 डिग्री मिलेगा और 180 डिग्री मिलेगा. सो इसका जो ओवर वैल्यू अगर 0 या 180 डिग्री है तो ये वैल्यू 0 हो जाएगा और ये वैल्यू 0 हो जाएगा या ये वैल्यू 0 हो जाएगा. ये टोटल क्या हो जाएगा, इनफिनिटी होगा. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज नॉट एप्लीकेबल for collinear forces. So forces must be non-collinear. Next point is force must be in equilibrium. Forces must be equilibrium. Equilibrium मैंने आपको शुरू में बताया कि forces are balanced or the resultant of all the forces must be zero. Then only this theorem can be applied. Okay. Next important point is this theorem is given by a French mathematician Bernard Lami, and this Bernard Lami is also known for his work on parallelogram law of forces. That's all for today. I am very happy if you gain something from this video. और अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज इसको लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें एंड शेयर करें. एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू प्रेस द बेल आइकन so that you can get all new notification of all my new videos. Thank you all.